Hello everybody, and welcome to the channel. This is Paul speaking from Jap-Auto-Agent, and today we've got another Suzuki Jimny. We've been supplying a lot of these recently now. Another Suzuki Jimny Sierra. As basically it's as new. It has come direct from the factory to the main dealer. They've registered the car and then just sent it straight down to the Japanese car auctions. The vehicle's got 9 miles on the odometer. Well, I say that, it's got kilometers on at the moment, but effectively it's 9 miles. So it's delivery mileage, and as you can see, it's in khaki green, and it's a 2025. And the situation is we've actually got 5 Jimnys available at the moment. We've got a black manual, we've got a citrus yellow, we've got grey ones, I believe it's a metallic grey. Obviously we've got this green one, and so if anybody's looking for a vehicle such as this, then we've got a bit of choice now. And every day in the auctions in Japan we will see between 10 and 30 what are referred to as S for sugar, SA grades. These cars are as brand new. They've been, the production lines seems to be working at full capacity. They're sending them out to the Suzuki dealers. I get the impression that they haven't got enough space to store them. It's not about money, it'll be about space, parking space. So they send them straight out to the auctions. And we bought this one the other day, and my buyer over in Japan has taken this to one side to do this video. So this particular one is a Suzuki Jimny JC Sierra 1.5i automatic, and obviously selectable 2 and 4 wheel drive, high and low ratio. It comes with front fog lights, got LED headlights with headlight washers, factory standard alloy wheels, privacy glass, 6 airbags, ABS, traction control, idle stop function, pre-crash system, applies the brakes itself. Yeah, it's got lanes protection, parking sensors, cruise control, climate control, heated front seats, and a leather-bound steering wheel. And it's got 2 keys. It comes with its spare keys. Obviously, it's a new car. It comes with its spare keys, and you can also see that these are proximity keys. They've got the little button on the outside on the door, so you can approach the car with your key in your pocket, and it will detect the keys present and allow you to push the button and unlock the door. And it's also got a push button start on the dashboard. There you can see the chassis, which indicates that the vehicle has come straight from the factory. And obviously, if you bring that vehicle into the UK before you put it on the UK roads, I think it's wise to have that sprayed with wax oil. So I've been providing this service where I work as an agent for my customers. In fact, my customers appoint me as their agent direct from my website, which is Jap-Auto-Agent.com or .co.uk. And if you take a look at the main menu, you'll see a link where it says, it refers to Japanese car auctions. Click on there, and that's where you find my agency appointment form. So if you're wanting to either order a car that we happen to have in stock, or you want to target a specific car in the auctions, you appoint me as the agent. You put a deposit in place. Deposits are 100% refundable if I can't supply the car the customer is asking, is looking for. But if you do your due diligence and your homework about me and who I am, you'll find I've got a 21-year track record. I've been around in this job a long time. I've been actually importing cars from Japan since 1996. Oh, and by the way, for my regular viewers of my videos, I do apologise if I have to keep repeating myself on this. I know I say this every time, but it's obviously this video is for anyone who's new to the channel, new to what it is I do, and is trying to get to understand what we do. So, to be quite honest with you, I think this is a no-brainer, because you're getting the opportunity to buy, well, in this case, what is a new car. They're not technically new because they've been registered in Japan. It's illegal to sell a car unregistered. It's as simple as that. But it's not. It's only done 9 miles, so you could say it's a demonstrator if it's the worst. So basically, contact me and I'll be glad to take you through the process and explain to you that, what's involved, how this works, the whole process of how we buy the cars in Japan. We arrange to ship them on either ro-ro shipping or container shipping, and we ship them around to Southampton, where they clear customs, and then they are put through a UK IVA inspection, which is carried out by a government test station, and then application is made to the DVLA for registration. The prices I quote include everything. It's easier to tell you what isn't included. What is not included is the UK road tax on this vehicle, and also inland delivery, because I never know in advance where my customer is located, so I can't quote the delivery to a location I don't know where it is. So but the prices I quote, I think we've got this one in at 22,000. So I guarantee a saving for my customer on the retail price for this vehicle of around £8,000. If you go and look on the what the retail dealers are asking for them, so it's a massive saving, and you're getting the same vehicle. So and I work for a fixed commission. So there it is. Now I've been told off because I believe when I'm doing this, I should ask people to click the like and subscribe, to the channel, and follow the cars as they come up on the channel. And so if anybody wants to know any more about this, feel free to call. I'll gladly answer your questions, and look for your next vehicle. This is the way to save the money. This is the way to get the best quality. I do supply some amazing quality cars. So speak to you soon. Bye bye.